Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a Lucky Charms themed cake, and this is going to be a really tiny cake. It's going to be a little mini cake. So yeah, let's get started. So first I just took my Lucky Charms and I separated the marshmallows from the cereal. I don't know why, but my phone stopped recording during this part, but I just baked two 6-inch vanilla cakes and I dyed them two different colors. You could dye the cakes whichever colors you'd like. I chose to do pink and blue. And so I'm putting the pink layer on the cake board on the bottom, and I'm just putting some buttercream in the middle. And then I'm taking the cereal part of the Lucky Charms and I just sprinkle that in the center. So now I just took the blue cake and leveled it off and then placed it on top of the pink cake, and now I'm just covering the whole cake with some buttercream frosting. So now it's finally time to decorate the cake. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the marshmallow part of Lucky Charms and I'm putting it on the cake, and it's gonna go all around and all over the cake. I ran out of marshmallows, so I started to improvise and I used these little marshmallow crumbs. So now I'm just taking these marshmallow crumbs and I kind of just scattered them across the top of the cake because, like I said, I ran out of marshmallows, but I think it would look really nice if you guys completely covered the cake with marshmallows. So if you have enough, definitely do that. Go around, all around the sides of the cake and the top. And then I decided why not put some cereal on the top instead of the marshmallows, since I didn't have any. And this is our finished Lucky Charms cake, and even though I didn't have enough marshmallows, I'm still really happy with how it turned out. I think the cereal on top looks really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And follow my social medias because my social medias are in the description, so go follow me. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!